Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.
Question number 14. Name the three constituents of abiotic components of the biosphere. Explain their major role in biosphere. अब constituent क्या क्या है abiotic components के? Air, water and soil. अब हम इनके बारे में बताते हैं. Air क्या है? Atmosphere is a thick gaseous layer that envelops the hydrosphere and earth surface. उससे air कहते हैं. एक envelope है gases का, that is known as air, जो cover करके रखती है water layer को और air के और land को और earth surface को. Supply करती है gases and is subjected to physical cycles by sun and spin of earth. Now coming to water. Water क्या है? Major ingredient है, major inorganic nutrient है, that is essential for all the life. It is one of the main agents in pedogenesis. Soil की formation में use होता है and is also the medium for several different ecosystems. Coming to soil, provide करती है food, shelter, encourage from predators to living organisms. This is question number 14.